Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In this next set of problems, we're asked to simplify these algebraic expressions. Let's get started with this first one. In my first step, I want to take this 4 and distribute it into the 3, also into the s. So 4 times 3 will give me a value of 12, and I'm going to add 4 times s, which is 4s. Now let's bring down subtraction of 2s, so minus 2s. Okay, from here, it's just a matter of combining like terms. Well, I have 4s minus 2s. And I could actually highlight that and make them stand out if needed. So I'm going to circle the 4 and that addition symbol to the left of it. I'm also going to circle the subtraction of 2s here. So I have positive 4 minus 2. So this will give me a value of 2s. And it's a positive 2, so I'm going to put an addition symbol before it, or to the left of it. Now I'm going to bring down that 12. So I have 12 plus 2s. Now I want to make this look a little bit more professional, so I'm going to lead with the variable. I'm going to flip these terms around. So my final answer here will be 2s plus 12. Okay, now let's pause here for a second, because some people might be tempted to factor at this point. Do not factor, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. They might want to, since 2 and 12 have a factor of 2. I'm going to write that factor off to the side and put my parentheses down. They might be tempted to put an s and add 6 in this case, because they factored the 2 out, and say this is the final answer. And this is factoring, so I'm just going to write down that we're factoring here. And you don't want to do it because of the problem. You're being asked to simplify this expression. And simplify means break it down as best as possible to where you can't do anything else. So break it down to simplest terms. Now when you factor, you're not breaking an expression down to simplest terms. Let me show you what I mean. Because the 2 can be distributed back into the s, can be distributed back into the 6. It would bring you right back to this expression, 2s plus 12. Since I can't combine these two terms any further, 2s plus 12 is the final answer. And make sure the only time you should factor is if you're asked to factor. Let's move on to this next problem. I'm going to change colors. Alright, so the first thing I want to do, I'm going to distribute the 6 into the p and also the 6 into the 5. And now I have 6 times p, which is 6p, plus 6 times 5, which is 30. And I'm going to subtract p. From here, it's just a matter of combining like terms. So if we see here, I have positive 6p and subtraction of 1p, and I'm going to combine those two terms. So 6 minus 1 will give me a value of 5, so I have 5p plus 30. So I can't combine these terms any further, and I'm leading with the variable, so 5p plus 30 is the final answer. I'll see you in another video.